My name is Graham Shepherd, and I'm the Sales and Business Development Manager for Western Integrated. We're a fully certified systems integrator. We serve mainly the forestry industry, but we're also involved in mining, food and beverage, recycling, conveyor systems, and the airport. The company's been in business for 40 years, and over that 40 years, we have a strong engineering team that have developed some IP for our company, that we do things a little bit different than normal systems integrators. We provide the solution to the application that we're looking at, so it's very, very specific. We've been partners with Rockwell since 1994. We are a gold level systems integrator with Rockwell. We have access to leading edge innovations and products. We can offer extended warranties that are provided through the program. And all of our staff and all of our technicians are fully trained on the products and solutions that we provide.